Kaden was thinking about the Baja 1000 in January, guarantee it. He knew that that race was going to be the make or break for him and or for this team. Coming close in San Felipe and being in the lead at a certain point in the 400, to have that taken away from him, he was planning for this, whether consciously or subconsciously, all year long.
So every Baja 1000 is a challenge. For the first time ever, they reversed the direction, started the race in La Paz and raced it back north to finish in Ensenada, which in the history of the race has never been done before. And they also added some additional length, 1,310 miles, which is the longest Baja 1000 ever.
For me, obviously winning the 500, winning the 400, I wanted to win the 1000. Obviously talking with the team and everyone, they really wanted that championship and saying, you know, just play cool and get the car to the finish line.
That's the one you want to win. You don't care if you lose every race of the year. If you win the Baja 1000, the year's okay.
For Kaden to have been so close the first couple of races and ultimately not been able to walk away with the podium spot, I can speak for myself. If I was Kaden, I'd be questioning myself, like, man, did I do something wrong those other races? Do I have what it takes?
Good morning and welcome to the BF Goodrich Tires 56 score Baja 1000.
Now we move into the Pro UTV Open Division.
So we're sitting here at Razor Pit 1, which is located at race mile 176. This is our first fuel pit for 3 of our 4 cars. We had a Mr. System malfunction on Brock Hager's car, 1896. We've got our crew chief and Polaris engineer standing by to conduct further troubleshooting and inspection on that, make sure it's not going to be an issue throughout the rest of the day.
What's up? We're here at pit 3, obviously just doing the driver change here at 5:30. Got off to a good start. We had to pit twice unexpectedly and we were down for about 30-40 minutes. Ronnie's just getting in. Everything looks super good, so we're just gonna send them through the night and keep on chugging.
Got out of the car here at San Ignacio, did 528 miles. Justin Morgan, 6-time Baja 1000 winner, is going to get in right now and hand it over to Reese at the last 300 miles, and looking forward to chasing all the way to Ensenada.
Started after dark around 7 p.m. A few minutes down from the next car in front of us, picked them up one by one. I mean, ran them down and ended up making it happen, and felt like I kept picking up the pace a little more and more, and it was great.
Our second car on course, 1896, is coming in right now with Ronnie Anderson. They're going to do a driver change as well.
Cole and I just had a smooth, steady pace all day. I believe we're through on the road right now, so can't complain too much. It was a long, silty night, but glad to be here.
That's a big lead to be proud of. If we did win this, that means we swept the score races this year with Polaris Factory Racing and SCI Motorsports, and being the first year with the new team, I have to say that means something to me, and I'm sure that means everybody in the shop and everybody back at the factory in Minnesota.
A year ago, none of us expected to win. Maybe our race would be awesome if we won one race. We won all 4 races, and the Baja 1000, longest Baja 1000 ever. I can't even describe the feelings I have. Just so happy and so proud of the whole team.
To manage the race the way that he did at the beginning of the Baja 1000, letting guys pass him, myself included. Him knowing that it's 1,300 miles and let all these yahoos go in front of me because I'm gonna be here at mile marker 1,200, and he was. It's a true testament to his ability to manage his own emotions, manage the pressure and the stress that goes along with being Rob McCachran's kid. I hate to say it, and he doesn't like to hear it, but there has to be pressure that sits on him because of that. And he's done a phenomenal job of managing all of that.
Wow, man, how you feel?
Oh, it's awesome. To see him get his first Baja 1000 win is pretty damn cool.
Winning the Baja 1000 was the perfect way for him to cap off the season and ultimately start off next year knowing that he's got what it takes, and he definitely deserves a place on this team.
I think him never giving up, overcoming all the difficulties he had, but never losing his drive, never losing his passion. I think it's just a testament to what an incredible person he is and what an incredible driver, and a lot of maturity for someone of his age.